Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to show you what I have got from the Diamond Art Club. Most of you know, if you've been with me for a while, I do diamond paintings, but it's been a while. I took a break from it, and I have some kits that I want to start working on, and I purchased two a couple months ago, and then I purchased this one a couple weeks ago, and I've been wanting to show you guys on camera my Diamond Art Club paintings that I received, but I have been behind on videos. So I am super excited to show you what I have. If this is your first time being here, welcome to my channel. I'm an all-time crafter of everything. I don't stick to one craft, and mostly I love my first top thing I like to craft is I like to crochet. That's my favorite thing. And then now I like collaging as well. And if you're new to the Diamond Art Club, I'll open one of the boxes and show you what you normally get in a painting if you are interested. I will also link the Diamond Art Club down below in the description box. So that's what that is. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the older ones I received first. So I got this guy here, and I apologize for the shadow. We are still working on the lighting. My husband put another light in, and so yeah. So this one I got I think back in April, and at that time it was raining and just blah here. And I needed spring. I needed flowers. I needed spring. I needed something to make me smile. And this was it. And this is a square drill painting. Some have squares, some have round drills. And drills are the little, what they call the little resin pieces that you put on the painting. So this is one. I'm not a real fan of squares, but I fell in love with this painting, and I really, really wanted it. So this is the first one. The second one I got back in, I think it was April or May, I can't remember, was this one here. And it's called the Sloth Puzzle. And this also is, oh no, this is a round, and it has a square type, and that is the size. I hope you can see that if it focuses. That is the other one. And then this, the newer one I got because I love angels, I collect them, is this one here, and it's Angels with You. And I apologize for the shine, but that is this one. So I'm going to open one of them, not this one, but I'm going to open up the Easter one real quick, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the kit if you are interested. First you get the codes, and like this one here, it shows the picture. Like I said, these are squares, and this has the DMC codes here. That is the picture. That's what they send you to kit up your diamond painting. And you also get a little sticker here. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the glare out there. And you always get a kit. Now, their kits are nice. I like them. And you get a grip. You get tweezers because it's a square painting. I believe in the round paintings you don't get the tweezers, but since this is a square, you get that. You get your multi-placer here. Okay. And you get your tray. Not your multi-placer, your placer. So you get a tray, and you get the multi-placer. You always get wax. It's always a heart shape through the Diamond Art Club. And you get reusable bags and the grip. Always a grip. The canvas is top quality. My two favorite places to shop for diamond paintings is DIY Moon. They are based in the Philippines. And it's a family business, and Diamond Art Club, and Craftably, I think is what it's called. Those are the top three. So, but this is number one. So, I'm hoping I can get this in frame. I'll show you what it looks like, but I'm going to show you the drills real quick. And they always give you a little pamphlet, step-by-step instructions, but it's super easy. A discount code, but this is the little book instructions. Okay. Their canvas is very nice. It is very top quality canvas. I absolutely love it. And I'm not gonna take the drills out, but I want to show you the colors of the diamond paintings. This is absolutely beautiful. When you kit up, I put them in little containers. And I put the codes on them so I know what color they are. And you see that they have the codes on them like so. And I think these colors are beautiful. The canvas is just exquisite. This is huge diamond painting. So I'm going to move you down a little bit. I don't have a lot of room on here, but yeah, so that's what they look like. It's beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. The quality of the canvas is gorgeous. I can actually read the codes on the picture. Sorry, the stupid light. I have got to get that figured out. So let's see if I can focus in here. So there's the dots. You see, there's some of the symbols that they have, and then here is your the legend, I think they call it, for where to put these. Like I said, this is absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to do it during the springtime, but I'm going to pause you. I'm going to clean off this table real quick, and then I'm just going to show you real quick what it looks like laid out on my table. So just 1 second. So once again, I apologize for the shadows, but I'm trying to keep the shadow. So this is what the full canvas looks like. Isn't that sweet and pretty? And the one thing about Diamond Art Club is they have ABs, which AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's a shiny drill that you put on your painting to make it sparkle. So every canvas that I've had has ABs in it. So they make it pretty, and yeah, I love it. It brings out a sparkle to them. I absolutely love them. Look how beautiful this is. And you get the legend on both sides here, and you get it on the top things. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that is my diamond painting haul. I hope you like everything I showed you. I hope you give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my content. And yeah, I hope you like everything. And so I hope you guys are well. I hope you take care of yourselves. And as always, God bless. Bye.